Today we'll talk about how can you disable safe login on your Lemon app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click on account. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to save login info here. So then you just click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color it's gone. That's mean here save login info. It's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.